When you talk of water, people run away. Why? It is taking them from their houses. Father, restore them back. Restore them back. Restore them back. We shall always go there to collect a penny to pay for the emperors, to pay for those in our praise, to pay for the heads. You send it to us. Father, I silence this water in France again. I silence this water in China. I silence this water in Kuwait. I silence this water in Japan. I silence this water in Taiwan, in Kazakhstan, in Portugal, in Adumani, Okorobataka Yamaa of Uganda, Okobaya Takara. Save them all, save them all. Adumani, I don't know if they are near a river Nile, Okobayaka Sakanyama. If River Nile is going to become meat, then it will kill many people if it explodes. Hallelujah. 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 This is not meat of man, no. Not when these people of Melba complain of me.
From bad to worse, entire regions of Kazakhstan in the north and the west are underwater. Some houses are barely identifiable with water up to their roofs. Evacuations have been underway for 2 weeks now.
Rescuers help us by transporting people, delivering us food, water and gasoline. All generators in the village are working now.
President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev visited some of the worst-hit areas. He's called on the government to limit any non-essential spending and use the money to help the people.
We are going through difficult times. This is a nationwide disaster, but positive changes are coming now. The water is receding gradually. I think the upcoming 10 days will be the most critical.
Several 100,000 people have said their houses were submerged or even washed away by the floods of the Ural River. It's Europe's third longest, causing extensive damage across parts of Kazakhstan and southern Russia in the past few weeks due to melting ice. Other rivers in Russia, like the Tabol in Siberia, have also burst their banks. Thousands have had to leave the area. Authorities in Russia are being criticized for not paying enough attention to forecasting water levels and responding more effectively. Dmitry Medvedenko, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.